Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to add a discount to a Zoho invoice quickly and easily, whether you're running a limited time promotion, offering a seasonal sale, or rewarding loyal customers. Being able to apply discounts directly to your invoices is a simple but powerful way to grow your business and strengthen customer relationships. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho Books account. Everything begins from the dashboard. So once you're in, head over to the top right corner of your screen and click on the Settings option. It's the gear-shaped icon you'll usually see up there. This will take you into all the customizable settings for your account. Inside Settings, look for the Preferences section. This is where you can adjust how your invoices are structured, both in terms of their appearance and the options available. Under Preferences, select General. Now, here's the important step. You'll find an option that says, "Do you give discounts?" Turn this on to enable discounts for your invoices. Zoho gives you two choices. You can apply discounts at the invoice level, meaning the discount will be applied to the entire invoice total, or you can choose item level discounts, which lets you apply specific discounts to each product or service line. Pick whichever method best matches your business needs, and don't forget to click Save so that your changes take effect. Now that your preferences are ready, let's add a discount to an actual invoice. Click on the plus icon or use the quick Create button and select Invoices. This will open up a brand new invoice template. As you start filling out the details, you'll see the discount field available depending on how you set it up earlier. Here you can enter the discount as either a fixed amount or as a percentage. For example, you could give a flat $50 discount or apply a 10% discount on the entire invoice. Enter the value that works for your promotion or customer agreement. Once you've added the discount, review your invoice. You can choose to save it as a draft if you'd like to come back and check it later, or you can click Save and Send to email it directly to your customer. Either way, your invoice is now updated with the discount applied, and that's it. You've successfully added a discount to a Zoho invoice. It's a small adjustment, but it makes your invoicing process more flexible and professional while giving your customers a little extra value at the same time. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more simple and helpful Zoho tutorials.